Assalamualaikum everyone and welcome to today's SLP video update. Now I'm on the monthly time frame at the moment and I do want to see what the monthly really looks like. So let's talk about this monthly. Now previously I told you that this is a technical target. You're basically looking to come down 0.0101, okay, and that's gonna be massive drops down, man. That's gonna be like huge 75% drop to the downside, 76% drop to the downside. So on a monthly time frame, what I do see right now, yeah, is that you potentially could be having some new technical targets as well. And based on what I'm looking at, you do have three black crows, and right now you might be putting in a bear flag on a monthly time frame like this. And if you start to break out of that monthly bear flag, then I do see this one coming down all the way from there to there, and we're looking for even bigger drop down, and that's scary as hell. That's gonna be down here at 0.00050. And keep in mind, that's a technical target and not my own personal opinion about it. And that's what I do see. It's a clear bear flag. It's a clear technical target that is actually printed out right now. Just be very careful. It's just like if I could tell you that if I told you about this bear flag back in the days, people didn't believe me about this bear flag. And when I said that, SLP is looking to go from this place to that place and it's gonna drop, and it was gonna drop. I do have a video, by the way, for this one, and they went from there to there, and I told them about the 87% drop down, and it actually happened. So this is just the same thing, literally the same thing, right? That actually has printed. So the pattern that you saw, this pattern that you saw, is nothing different than this pattern right here. And that's pretty much it for this quick update on SLP. I'm gonna see you the next one. I love this.